This is a video introducing the key features of ARLIME 14-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. It helps give you an overview. Of course. If you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features of versatile cooking modes. This toaster oven air fryer combo includes 7 air frying options such as fries, chops, shrimp, fish, steak, wings, and chicken, alongside 7 oven functions like bake, pizza, toast, cake, bacon, dehydrate, and defrost. These 14 preset programs help you cook a variety of delicious food with ease. Powerful and efficient design, crafted with premium stainless steel. The Countertop Convection Oven features 1700 watts high power and advanced convection heat technology with 360 degrees hot air circulation. This results in up to 90% less oil usage and reduces cooking time by nearly 30%, allowing you to enjoy healthier meals faster. Spacious capacity for family. With a generous 26 quarts interior, this air fryer oven easily cooks up to 3 pounds French fries, 12 slices of toast, 2 x 8-inch pizzas, 3 pounds whole chicken, 20 chicken wings, or 3 pounds steak at once. The multi-layer rack design enhances cooking efficiency by enabling multiple dishes to be prepared simultaneously. Easy to operate and observe, the air fryer toaster oven combo is equipped with button control, LED display, and knob control, offering customizable time settings for 1 to 24 hours dehydrating and 1 to 60 minutes cooking/defrost, plus 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range. The transparent door and independent light control add further convenience. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.